Sanjeev Chaturvedi, I'm Dean Academics with Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning, Pune. So we have all come here to deliberate upon the new program which is launched by World Bank along with 11 partner institutes across India. It's on the public procurement practices, which is now becoming a very important area of concern. So more transparency is required, more information to be given to the public, and of course the procedures has to be simplified. So this program which we are going to introduce, or this diploma which we are going to introduce from April onwards, will help not only the government officials who are in the practice of procurement of various goods and products to streamline their activities, but as a public also it will help to analyze and evaluate the practices which has been adopted by various governments. So this program will be for basically for the government procurement people, but it will be also open for the multinational companies, individuals, or even institutes or any organization which are interested in having transparent procedures for procurements. Now, as we have realized that the government bidding is on international scale, so we are now having international bidding. So in international area also there is a lot of concern about the way the procurement is done in India, and so this program will help to fine-tune our system with the international system also, and also we will not only catering to Indian systems, but we will also be giving this program to all our neighboring countries which are in the phase of development for the international accreditation of sourcing of the material. So in totality, this will have a very wide scale impact in coming years, and it will have a wider range of people who can be involved in this program. With the content what we have developed and the way we are going to promote this with the help of World Bank and other 11 participants, institutions, this will be a very challenging task for all of us to change the mindset of the people for the procurement practices. We are very confident that this program and this diploma will be a success in future. Thank you.